big brother man. I'm done.
Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can be able to use the current saga that is currently going on right now between Peter and his brother, or any saga that is currently going on right here in this country, to be able to start making money online using just your phone. So instead of being among those people that will sit behind their phones, be laughing and scrolling and laughing at everything that is going on, what if you are among those people that are actually making money from those content or from those sagas, right? So right now I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that for yourself. Now, before we jump fully into the video, if today is your first time of seeing me right here on YouTube, my name is Martin, and right here I share with my followers legitimate ways they can use to start making money online. Now, if this is the kind of content that interests you, you can do well right now to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like this video, and click the bell notification icon so that you will never miss any video from me. Okay, now one of the questions I normally get on my channel right here is that, Martins, how can I be able to start making money online with just my smartphone? I'm a student, I don't have any money or capital to be able to invest in any business right now. So how can I be able to make money using just my smartphone and my internet connection? So in this video, I want to answer that question by using what is currently going on in the country to show you how you can be able to utilize this type of opportunities to make money for yourself. So here is exactly how you can be able to start making money online using just your smartphone and using the current sagas or anything that is currently going on in the country. So the first thing that you have to do right now is that go ahead and open up your phone. And once you open up your phone, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Okay, now you can use Instagram to do this, or you can use TikTok to do this. Now, I like using Instagram because it's more easier to understand what I'm about to share with you right here with Instagram. Now, once you open up your Instagram account, go ahead and click on this search button. Once you click on the search button, now go ahead and type in anything that is currently trending in the country. So for example, since Peter Okoye is trending, so just go ahead and type in Peter Okoye right now. So right now you are going to see the current keywords that are currently trending on the name Peter Okoye, right? So now you can be able to see, if you group down right here, you are going to see where we have Peter Okoye memes, right? Peter Okoye latest videos, Peter Okoye exposed. Now, if you go ahead and click on this Peter Okoye's memes, now it's going to be showing you different Instagram account that is posting this Peter Okoye news. Now, here is the most interesting thing. Let me go ahead and open up one of these accounts for you. So if you open up this particular account, now this particular account is named Niger Everything. Now, if you open up this particular account right now, you can see that this account has 1 million followers and 34,000 posts, right? And 0 following. Now, if you take a look at this particular account right now, you can see that what this particular person right here is actually posting right here is content from other people. So without even showing his face, this particular person has been able to amass 1 million followers right here. And this guy is making a lot of money right now. And I'm going to show you how they are making money, right? So let me also go ahead and open up another person right here. So right here, you can see this particular person that will have agent.manuel, right? So if you also go ahead and click into his account, you can see this particular video alone that he posted there right here has 185k likes, over 20 comments, right? So these videos are going viral, and that's why I say that you have to use what is currently trending in the country. Like if there's any saga going on in the country, these are the things that you will use to be able to do these things that I'm about to share with you right now. So if I go ahead and open up this particular page right now, now you can be able to see that this is the same thing that this person is doing, right? So he's just posting other people content, most especially content that are trending, and he's getting huge traffic. Now, how is they making money? How is these guys making money by doing all these things that they are doing? Now, the way these guys make money right here with this type of page is through brand partnership. Now, because your page is generating a lot of views and people are coming to your profile to be able to, follow you and also stay updated with the latest saga or news that is going on in the country, there are a lot of brands who are willing to pay you money for those traffic that is coming to your pages, right? So all you simply have to do is to put, just like he added right here, PR and ads, right? He put his email right here and put his WhatsApp number. So if I want to advertise my business right now, let's say for example that I own a car brand, or I own a car business, or I own any type of business right now, and I want to promote it right here, I can easily contact this guy now and ask him how much is he going to charge me for him to post about my brand on his stories. Because note that as these guys are doing these things, they are also posting on their stories right here. Okay, so if I go to this Naija everything right now, you can see that he's also posting in his stories, right? So if a brand pays me, I can be able to put that brand right here. You can see this person right here promoting his clothing brand right here. So this is actually a paid ad, right? So I will put the person's video on my story, and once I put it on my story right here, a lot of people are going to view that video because they are already following me and I'm already posting something that is already trending in the country. So these businesses need publicity. So I am helping them to be able to give them that publicity by posting them right here on my story, right? So this is the exact way that you can be able to use to make money right here in this business. So all you simply have to do, go ahead and set up your page. You can name it anything. I will tell you the name that you name your page doesn't really matter. Like I can see, this person's name is own Naija Everything, and this other person that I showed you guys right here also named his own agent.emmanuel, right? So what you name your post doesn't really matter, but what matters most is, are you able to post things that is captivating people's attention, right? So you can see so many people that are doing this thing. Even this Naija Everything keep on posting and reposting this Peter Okoye's video, because these videos are performing very, very, very well for him. So right here, if you take a look at this particular person's story now you are seeing some of the brands that he's posting right here. So right here, he posted something on his story and he put buy gadgets from Dave_Techie. Now this is actually a sponsored post, so this person is just paying him for him to be able to attach his name or business name right here, or business Instagram handle right here, right? So if you go ahead, you will see other people that are doing it, order from at Dream Automobile Limited. All right, so this is exactly how you can be able to make money using this type of page without even having to be able to have any special skills at all. All you need is to find trending topics that is going viral in the country. For example, right now the BB Naija is going on. You can be able to capitalize on that right now to be able to set up your own page, give it any name, go ahead right there and put your email address and your WhatsApp number, and just be cutting the most interesting part of those sagas. That's the only thing that can be able to give you a sale. And when you are doing this, please do not stick to any one platform. So right here, this particular account I'm using for example right now, if you go through right here, you can see how they are be able to open up both a TikTok account. You see how many number of people they have right here. It's the same video they are posting on Instagram that they are posting on TikTok. It's the same video that they're also posting on their Facebook account. It's the same video that they're also posting on Twitter and also on YouTube, right? So this shows you guys that this thing can help you to be able to create different social media accounts that you can be able to monetize and use it to start making money online without having to show your face. But one of the things I'm going to advise you right now is that do not go ahead and post a few videos and think magic will happen. As you can see, most of these guys that I showed you right now have posted over 1,000 videos. You even see the person that have posted over 34,000 videos on his platform to be able to generate over 1 million followers, right? And to break this thing down again, you don't need to do any big work for yourself. Just go download the video that you want to use or you want to repost on your account. Go ahead and cut out that most interesting part. That's the only part that you need. Just like at the beginning of the video, the part that you watch before you start watching this full video right now till this moment. Cut out that particular part that interests people, or people are going to make, or people are going to laugh about. You know, go ahead and post it as if you're setting up a meme page, right? So that's what you're doing right here. You are setting up a meme page. So go ahead and be cutting out all those interesting parts on any saga that is currently going on in the country that people are currently interested in, and go ahead and be posting it consistently right there on your page. And the more you post, the more people will come and follow you, and the more people are going to follow you, the more brand deals are coming, and the more brand deals are coming, the more you even meet requirements to start earning, like on platforms like Facebook or most of of these other platforms that you're posting your videos on. All right, so don't miss this opportunity and make sure you take action right away. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section of this particular video. And also, if you want to learn how you can be able to make money online, I have a couple of other videos right here on this channel that you should do well and go ahead and check out. I'll even link some of them down in the video description and also in the pinned comment, so that you can click on and see other legitimate way you can follow to start making money online for yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, do well to give this video a thumbs up, right? And see you guys on my next video.